think it's a game.
I came up from nothing, you can't tell me. Yeah, did it on my own, take out my neck, take out my wrist. Yeah,
I swear I ain't never expected it to be like this. Now I'm getting rich. I swear every day we lit.
yeah, every day we lit. Yeah, you can't tell me. Yeah, remember I was broke. Yeah, now I'm getting rich. Yeah.
Hey yo, what's up everyone, Toss Spring, this is Toss back again, and today I'm going to be doing some pond fishing with the good old Booyah Pond Magic spinnerbait. Now I got a pack of these for $6.99, and there's 3 of them, and I got white, pink, purple, white, purple, and orange, and I used the white one, and I slayed the game with them. I think I got like 19 or 20 catches, but I only got about half of them on camera, so y'all are gonna see about all of those, and yeah, without further ado, let's get to this pond.
She want me to put my name on there. I got the hottest 16 wanna.
Alright, yo, I'm using this white spinnerbait here. I already caught one, but I didn't catch it. It was like my second cast right here. I didn't get it on camera. Oh shoot! That guy just destroyed that. Oh snakes! Just freaking ate that thing. Oh my god. Oh man. Destroyed that. What? Oh man, look at that beauty. I watched, just saw it freaking eat it. First catch.
Good job, man. Can you get to that out?
I have to go help him. Shoot, that was my freaking first cast. Oh my god, first cast. I saw it coming up on the top, so I let it drop back down. And I started twitching it. It just destroyed that at the shore. Oh my god, that was exciting. Alright, check out some. Yeah, there he goes. Oh, he just sank that. Oh my god. He just sank on that thing. He just sat on that thing. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, he just sat. Just freaking. Enough. Oh my god, he just freaking sat on that freaking thing. I thought I got a snag. Oh my god, I thought it was a freaking snag. Oh my god, look at the colors on that thing. It's a nice one. I like you, little buddy. We're gonna get a nice release on you. Bye, friend. Oh my god! At the shore! At the shore! Chill. Oh my goodness. At the shore. Oh my god. That's the second one at the shore. It's like at the shore. Oh my god, bro. The second one at the shore. Yeet. I gotta hit a backflip with a freaking legend. Bye bye. I saw that one. fourth fish on this bait. All these fish are my first time catching. That's a bite, that's a bite, that's a bite, that's a bite, that's a bite. Take it, take it, take it. Oh, yeah, that's a bite. Oh, man, I told him. Could feel him taking it, but he wouldn't take it. Oh, shoot. What in the frick? How did that happen? Oh, hallelujah. Alright, guys, we got him out. Sorry, little fishies. Sorry. Yep, go that way. The water's that way. Oh, frick. Dropped my frickin' bait caster in the mud. What's up? Oh, come on, you big dummy. Eat it. It's all good. Never got another one. Nope, he got a Mustang. Oh my god, that thing just knocked my freaking hand off. Oh my god. It's so tiny, but it was like really getting it just smacked. I swear these tiny ones are the freaking vicious. Look how tiny this little thing is. Ouch. Alright. I don't like that jigging around. I mean, trust me, I'll get jiggy with you someday, but like, not today, man, not today. That's a nice one. Psych. Probably my smallest one yet. Backflip. Buckets. Alright. That's the 5th catch on the good old miniature white spinner bait, right? Oh, I started recording halfway through it. Oh, shoot. Ouch. Freaking punk. Dang, that's a better looking one right there. You snap picture that. Let him go. I love you, buddy. Okay. That was 7. If I'm catching fish, I'm alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Oh shoot. That one went on the run. Come in here. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that one's about the same size as the other one I got. Ah, stop. Where the frick is the hook at? You green devil. Oh, you're a bit muddy, mate. You're a bit muddy. But a fish is a fish. Ow! Frick, that one actually really hurt me. Ow! Oh, yep, there's another one. I know, right? Hooked him right through the eyes. I mean, not right through the eye, but like right through the temple. It's a little baby. Oh, pretty little boy. Alright, y'all, that's gonna wrap up this video. If you guys do like this video, be sure to like and subscribe so I know that you guys like this. I did catch a whole bunch of fish today, and it was pretty fun. By the way, if this video gets good enough, I'm gonna get in the way of this Lunker Hut spinnerbait. Also, if you want to get the exact type of spinnerbait that I use in this video, the Booyah Pond Magic spinnerbait, there will be a link in the description for you guys to order it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.